Hey, what's up? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. Now let's say this employee number column is actually consisting of various different aspects to each number. For example, this 100 represents the customer support department and this 01 represents manager. Now we need to bring in only the employee number itself into a new column. The way we would normally do it is copy this section into a new cell, or you could probably even use text to columns. But here's a way you could do it really easily. After doing just one of it, all you have to do is click on Ctrl E. It's going to do the exact same thing for the entire column. Now you can think of all the applications that this would be useful for you. It doesn't work just with numbers. It works with text as well. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me out a lot. And subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.